Hello my dear students, today we are going to learn about class 6 social science. We will take up geography. Okay, chapter number 7, our country India. Okay, let us start. India is a country of vast geographical expanse. We have already know that India is a vast geographical expanse country. Okay, that means in the northern side of India it is bounded by the lofty Himalaya. That means it is bounded by, in the northern side it is bounded by Himalaya. Okay, in the western side we have found what, Arabian Sea. Okay, in the eastern side it is bounded by what, Bay of Bengal. Okay, in the south you'll find, okay, it is bounded by Indian Ocean. That is the verse. Okay, that means on the three side of this peninsular, it is bounded by western side it is what, Arabian Sea, and the eastern side is what, Bay of Bengal, and the southern, okay, the southern part is what, Indian Ocean. So that's why it is called the peninsula. Okay, yeah, and India has an area of about 3.28 million square kilometer. That means India is what, its area is what, how much, 3.28 million square kilometer. Okay, so the north south extension from Kashmir to the Kanyakumari is about 3200 kilometers. That means the from north to south, from Kashmir to Kanyakumari, its extension, okay, its kilometer is what, 3200 kilometer. And the east west extend from Arunachal to Kunj. Okay, that is Arunachal Pradesh to Kunj, that is what, Gujarat. Okay, it is about 2900 kilometers. Okay, the Lofi mountain, the great Indian desert, the northern plain, and the uneven plateau surface and the coast, the island are present in the diversity of land. But that means in India we have find lot of what, mountains. Okay, the Himalayan mountain and the Indian desert and the northern plain. Okay, and so many plateaus. Okay, and even the coast, even the islands. So India have a lot of varieties of okay, in India is a great varieties in the climate. That means in India we have found various climatic condition, as well as vegetation, as well as wildlife. Even their language, okay, and culture is also different. Okay, so that means in India we have found different varieties of what, forest type, climatic condition, even wildlife, even their language is also different. You can compare. Okay, northeast people used to speak different language. If you go to Rajasthan, that means they used to speak different language. If you go to south, they used to speak different language. Even their religions, okay, culture, all are different. That is okay. So in this diversity we find unity, and that is reflected in the tradition bind as one nation. That means even though we all are what, have different religion, different language, different caste, but we are one. Okay, we are one. That means we are living in the same country, that is what, India. Okay, and India has a population more than 120 crores. Okay, that means since since the year 2011, that means India is the second most popular country of the world after China. That means India is what, occupies second place in terms of population. Okay, its population is about 120 crores. Okay, so now let us see the locational setting. Okay, India is located in the northern hemisphere. That means India is what, located in the northern hemisphere. The Tropic of Cancer, 23 degree 30-minute north, pass almost half the country. That means this Tropic of Cancer divide the whole India into two parts. That means this Tropic of Cancer, okay, passes through the middle of India. Okay, from south to north, the mainland of India extends between 8 degree 4-minute north and 37 degree 16-minute latitude. That means its latitudinal extent is what, 8 degree 4-minute north to 37 degree 6-minute north. Okay, and from west to east India extend. That means India, its extension of longitude. Okay, from west to east, that is what, 68 degree 7-minute east to 97 degree 25 minutes east. Okay, that is its longitude. Okay, if we divide the whole into eastern and western hemisphere, that means India can be divided through longitude, what, eastern hemisphere and western hemisphere. That means India is belongs to where, eastern hemisphere. Why? Because in longitude we have find E na, this E. Okay, this E, 68 degree 7 minute E. Okay, 97 degree 25 minute E. E means what, we are located in the eastern hemisphere. Okay, so due to what, great longitudinal extent, it is about what, 28 degree. That means if we count, okay, if you count this longitude from 1 to 3, that means we have how much longitudinal extent, 28 degree. That means if you minus from 97 to 68, you will get what, 90, that means 98 degrees. Okay, so then that means from west to east, okay, there is almost, okay, there is almost difference of 2 hours. Okay, suppose if the sunrise in the Arunachal about 6 a.m., that means 6 7 8, that means in Rajasthan or in Gujarat it is going to rise at what, 8. If you, that means the sun is going to, that means from here to here. Okay, suppose this is 6, suppose this line is how much, 68. Okay, from 68 to up to 97 na, this is how many longitude can be drawn, around 29. Okay, so that's why here, from here to here, how many difference, 2 hours. Okay, yes, this thing we have already learned in earlier. Okay, the local time changes by 4 minutes for every 1 degree of longitude. That means if you go suppose 68 from 69, how many times difference, 1 hour, 1 degree. If you go 1 degree, then means there will be difference of 4 minutes. Okay, that's one. The sunrise about 2 hours earlier in the east. Okay, Arunachal Pradesh, then in Gujarat. That's, yes, I've already told you this one. You have already, okay, learned earlier why the local time of longitude is what. That means the time, okay, the local time we are taking here. Okay, that is what, 82 degree 30 minutes. Okay, the in middle. Okay, Indian Standard Meridian. Okay, this meridian or the longitude, this is known as what, Standard Meridian, Standard Meridian of India. Okay, sometimes in exam they are going to ask, okay, what is the degree of Standard Meridian of India or the Indian Standard Time? That is what, 82 degree 30 minute is. Okay, you have to write this one. Okay, and next is what we are going to learn, India. Okay, neighbors. Okay, there are 7 countries that share land boundary with India. Okay, that means in this is India. Okay, in around 7 countries is sharing with what, land boundary with India. Okay, that means Pakistan is sharing. Okay, even Afghanistan is sharing here, even Tibet is sharing here, even Nepal is sharing here, even Bhutan, even Bangladesh, even Burma. Okay, how many? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 na, 7 boundary. Okay, 7 country is sharing its international boundary with India, but Sri Lanka is not sharing. It is what, divided by Pearl Strait. Okay, it is separated by Pearl Strait. Okay, yes, we have already named how many of these countries do not have, okay, access to ocean or sea. Across the sea or to the south lie Indians. Okay, lie our island neighbors. Okay, Sri Lanka and Maldives. Sri Lanka is separated from India by a Pearl Strait. Yes, I have already told you. Okay, so look here, this is Sri Lanka. Okay, this is Sri Lanka, and this is what, Lakshadweep. Lakshadweep is it is belongs to India. Okay, Indian island. Even Andaman Nicobar is also Indian island. Here this is Lakshadweep. Okay, these are the 2 countries which lie in the southern part, which is separated by Indian oceans. Okay, and here Sri Lanka and India, it is separated by 1 strait, that is Pearl Strait. Okay, and next is your political and administrative division. Okay, India is a vast country. Okay, For administrative purpose, the country is divided into 28 states and 7 union territory. Okay, so look here, this book is also here, they are mentioned here how many states, 28. Okay, that means India is a vast country. For administrative purpose, okay, India is divided into different states and different union territories. Okay, you can find out this one. According to this book, we have how many, 28 states and 7 union territory. You can check out this one. Okay, Delhi is the capital of India. Okay, Delhi is the capital of India. The state have been formed mainly on the basis of language. Okay, that means that these are the states which are what formed by on the basis of what, language. Okay, in Manipur, the main language is what, Manipuri. If you go to Nagaland, Nagamis. For if you go to Assam, Assamese. Okay, that's are. Okay, so Rajasthan is the largest state in terms of area. Okay, and Goa is the smallest state in terms of area. The states are further, again, for administrative purpose, they are further divided into so many districts. Okay, now is what, physical divisions. Okay, so physical divisions. India is marked by a diversity of physical features such as mountain, plateau, okay, plain, coast, islands. Okay, standing as a sentinel in the north are the lofty snow-capped Himalaya. Okay, Himalaya. Okay, look here, that means the Himalaya mountain are divided into 3 parallel ranges. Okay, look here, this is India. Okay, the physical division. In the northern part we have find what, Himalaya, the great, okay, Himalaya. In here, desert area, here Arabian Sea, here what, Bay of Bengal, and here this is what, Indian Ocean, and this is island. Okay, this is what, island. This is called Western Guard. Okay, and this is called Eastern Guard, and you will find even coastal plain here also. Okay, even here you will find what, plain area. Okay, and here you will find so many plateaus. Okay, even rivers. Okay, so Himalayan mountain, they are divided into 3 parallel ranges. Okay, the first range we used to call it what, Himalaya. Okay, this one. Okay, the Himalaya or Himadri. Okay, and here it is the northernmost. Okay, the great Himalaya, and the world highest peaks are located in this range. Okay, in this great Himalaya. Okay, Mount Ketu, Mount Everest, all these are located in this great Himalaya. Okay, and the second one is what, middle Himalaya or the Himachal. Okay, it's lie to the south of the Himadri. That means from next. Okay, that is what, Himachal. Okay, many popular hill station. Okay, in this Himachal or middle Himalaya you will find so many hill station. Okay, and next is what, the southernmost is what, you will find the Shivalik range. Okay, the first one is what, Greater Himalaya, middle Himalaya, and the third one is what, the Shivalik. Okay, and next is what, the northern plain. This after Shivalik you will find what, northern plain area here. Okay, so in plain area, the northern plain lie to the south of the Himalaya. They are generally level and flat. These are formed by the alluvial deposit laid down by the rivers Indus, Ganga, Brahmaputra, and tributaries. Okay, and their tributaries. These rivers, okay, plain provide fertile land for the cultivation. This is the region for high concentration of population in this plain. Okay, look here, this plain area. Okay, in plain area they are drained by so many rivers. Okay, like here Brahmaputra, okay, Ganga, Indus river. Okay, this plain area were formed by the rivers. Okay, deposition which were brought by the rivers. So this area is what, flat as well as plain. So they are generally level, and they used to found what, alluvial. So alluvial soil is what, very what, suitable for agriculture or the cultivations. Okay, so that's why where cultivation is possible, then automatically you will find what, most of the settlement. That means here there will be a high concentration of populations. Okay, and next one is what, in the western part. Okay, lie the great Indian desert. It is very dry as well as hot and sandy stretch and very little vegetation. In the western side you will find what? Indian great desert. Okay, and here you will find Aravalli range. Okay, this is the hill range. Okay, so here what happened? This is a desert area. Okay, so there is a less vegetation. Okay, and here the condition, the climatic condition is very hot and very dry, and you'll find a sandy. Okay, and to the south, okay, and to the south of the northern plain, and here here you will find what? Peninsular plateau. Okay, this is a triangular shape. The relief is highly uneven. This is the region with the numerous hill range and the valley. Aravalli is one of the oldest, okay, range of the world, border in the northwest. Okay, and Vindhya range, Satraputa range are the important range. Okay, the river Narmada and Tapti flow through this range. These are the west flowing river drain into the Arabian Sea. The western Ghat or the Sahyadris borders of the plateau in the west. The eastern Ghat provide in the eastern boundary, while the western Ghat are the continuous. The eastern Ghat are the broken and uneven. The plateau is very rich in mineral like coal and iron ore. Look here. And the next one is what? Peninsular plateau. This is the peninsular plateau. Okay, it started from here and here up to it extend up to south. Okay, here this is what? Peninsular plateau. It is what? Triangular shape. Okay, this peninsular shape is from what? Triangular shape. Okay, its boundary is what? And in this peninsular plateau you will find what? The oldest what? Plateau. Okay, one of the oldest. Okay, this is not the oldest. Okay, one of the oldest. Okay, this is Aravalli range, hill range. Also you will find here Satraputra range. Okay, Vindhya range. Okay, all this. Okay, and one important things. Okay, these two important river, Narmada and Tapti. Okay, these are the two important rivers. Okay, which drain toward the Arabian Sea. Others are what? Drain toward the Bay of Bengal. Okay, in the western side you will find what? Western Ghat. Here you will find what? Eastern Ghat. Okay, Western Ghat are what? Parallel. Okay, are continuous, but Eastern Ghat are what? They are broken or discontinuous. Okay, they are uneven or the broken. Okay, so most of the river they are drained towards the Bay of Bengal, like Mahanadi, Godavari, even Krishna and even Kaveri. They used to fall in the Bay of Bengal. Okay, and this plateau is very much important. Sometimes this plateau they are called the storehouse of the minerals. Okay, in this area you will find lot of mineral like coal or the iron ore. Okay, and the next one is that to the west of the Western Ghat and the east of the Eastern Ghat like coastal plain. Okay, the western coastal plain are very narrow. Okay, look here. Here after Western Ghat, okay, before reaching to Arabian Sea, this is what? Coastal area. Even before reaching, okay, after Eastern Ghat, this is what? Coastal area. Okay, the western coastal area is what? Very narrow. This is very narrow. Okay, why? Because after this one you will find less. Okay, and here and eastern coastal plain are much broader. If you compare here and here, this western, okay, Eastern Ghat coastal plain are very much broad. Okay, broaded, and here it is very narrow. Okay, so there are a number of east flowing river. Yes, we have already know there are so many east flowing river, right? Mahanadi, Godavari, Krishna and Kaveri drain towards the Bay of Bengal. Okay, this river have formed fertile deltas towards the mount, and Sundarbans delta is formed where the Ganga and Brahmaputra flow into the Bay of Bengal. Okay, look here. Here this is the Eastern Ghat. Okay, in Eastern Ghat you will find Mahanadi, okay, Godavari, Krishna and Kaveri. Okay, here in the mouth of this river, okay, you'll find deltas. Okay, delta is formed, and where delta is formed, you'll find a very what fertile soil. Okay, even here, even Brahmaputra, okay, they were drained towards the where Bangladesh, and here they are formed what Sundarban delta. Sundarban delta is the largest delta, okay, in the world. Okay, you have to know that one. And next is what that there are two groups of island. Okay, one is what Lakshadweep Island and Andaman, and another is what Andaman Nicobar Island. Okay, Andaman Nicobar Islands. Okay, Lakshadweep Island lies in the Arabian Sea, and the Andaman Nicobar lie in the Bay of Bengal. Lakshadweep Island is formed by the coral. Okay, and Andaman Nicobar is what it is volcanic okay, or origins. Okay, so here they are given. Do you know which group of island are affected by tsunami? Yes, Andaman Nicobar. Okay, find out the newspaper report by speaking to the people how different wave faced during tsunami stuck in Indian coast. Tsunami is a huge wave generated due to earthquake on the sea floor. Okay, look here. This one, this is the island. Okay, this is the Bay of Bengal side, and this is Arabian Sea. In Arabian Sea you will find what Lakshadweep Island. Okay, Lakshadweep Island is here. Okay, so Lakshadweep Island, it is formed by what coral. Okay, coral island. Why? Because it is made up of coral. Okay, so here this is Andaman Nicobar. This is the Indira Point. Okay, during the tsunami, okay, Indira Point is what submerged. Okay, during tsunami. Okay, so look here, Andaman Nicobar is what it is a volcanic origins. Okay, so that's all. Okay, that's all about our country India. Okay, so yes, we have already finished this chapter number 7, our country India. Okay, thank you, have a nice day.